Hello and welcome. I'm going to take you through exactly what I saw when I went to our Marjan Island. This is at the start of June, to be specific, the 10th of June. And what struck me is that the unexpected construction is well underway. What do we know about the unexpected? Well, they're partnered with Almal, and the unexpected, these guys are famous mainly for their super club in Ibiza called Ushuaia. So they're bringing an Ushuaia type experience to Al Marjan Island. As you can see here, work is well underway. They've cleared off the site. Um, and, it's exactly what is needed for Al Marjan Island. As you can see, it's directly next to the Wynn. So this is all being shot on the site plot of the unexpected. So really, it's quite exciting news, to be fair. Look what you're going to get once you get this project underway. Beautifully sculpted. So many huge hotel rooms right on the beach. It's going to be a top-notch project, and we cannot wait to stay there. Let's be frank. Okay? I mean, what can we really expect from the unexpected? They're going to really kind of fuse the unexpected, dramatic, high-energy venues with the signature Wynn elegance that we see right here. So what I'll do, I'll just zoom on over there and see exactly what's happening on site. Here we go. As you can see, I'm entering the construction site here. Always have to be careful because you know, they'll soon realize that I'm not actually a contractor and they'll probably try and kick me out. But I'll zoom in, see what we can see. I mean, expected to open in 2027, and I think it will. Look at that. So much going on. Now let's just remind ourselves about the Wynn. Okay? So the Wynn, these guys are global leaders in luxury resorts. They've got something in Las Vegas, Macau, Boston. They know about high-end dining, retail, overall resort management. It's going to be a fantastic project, right? There's no doubt that it's going to really change Ras Al Khaimah as an island and as a tourist destination.